Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese Cooking Accessory Guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. So today we were doing a tofu recipe. It's going to be tofu with prawns and pork. We're going to add some nice flavors to it. So what it is, it's minced fish with bean curds, the square ones. So that's a real delicacy here. Oh yeah. 係我嘅泥螺。我都知一個喎。人哋我媽媽爸爸就江來咗。我係啊，轉入好忙緊啊。For this recipe, we're doing grilled tofu with prawns and pork, and we're using the smooth tofu block for this recipe. So you chop up about 2 tablespoons of garlic, 2 tablespoons of ginger, and you have about 8 to 10 prawns that you chop up into small pieces. There's about 6 ounces of ground pork. So we're going to cut the tofu up. So we're going to cut the tofu at an angle here. So it's going to be like a wedge. We've cut the tofu into wedges. So we're going to stuff the tofu with the ground pork and the prawns. So that's the next step. So just put about a tablespoon of cornstarch onto a plate. So add some green onions to the mixture. So you take a wedge of tofu, dip it in the cornstarch, and put about a tablespoon of the filling. So we got some going right now. The tofu now is ready to be grilled. So preheat the pan at medium heat. Put about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. Put the tofu into the pan. So you can start with the meat side down if you like. It doesn't really matter, but I like to a lot of times grill the meat side first. So after you grill the one side, just flip over the tofu and grill the other side. The tofu has different textures. There's some smooth ones, like this one. Some tofu is more traditional. It's more firm. So it's whatever preference that you like. So that one has a nice crust on it. So that's what you're trying to do. Trying to get the nice crust on the tofu like that. So I'm going to try this grilled tofu. That's really good. There you have it. Grilled tofu with prawns and pork. Enjoy. So thanks very much for checking out my video. Please subscribe and mark the notification down below. So that way we can get the videos out to you in the future. And any comments and questions are always appreciated. So thanks very much for your continued support. If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese Cooking Channel.